Hello party people. We have a full day today because the movers are coming tomorrow to move all of our stuff, like the beds, like all the big furniture. So also someone is coming over to mount our TV. However, I don't have a mount yet. I didn't buy it yet. So we're gonna go to Best Buy to buy it today. Also, we need to go to Target to buy new shower curtains and things for the bathroom. And we just have a lot of things to do today. So we're gonna run some errands today. Let me show you my outfit. I have my Kangol hat that I got from Solvang, my YouTube black sweatshirt, and then I got this new bag from Madewell. Isn't it so cute? It's made well. My black sweatpants from Garage, they're super comfortable, and then I have my Coach City, what are these called? I forgot the name of these. They're like Coach City Walk, I think? Yes.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You ain't thinking about yourself. You ain't thinking about yourself. Tell me what must I do? Tell my love. It's like I am good at reading. Anyway, we just went to Living Spaces and I found a really, really nice couch that I kind of fell in love with, and it was cheaper than the Burrow one that we ordered. And they didn't have it in stock.
The wait is still end of January.
The wait time is still end of January, so basically what we're trying to do is find a couch that we can get now. I cannot wait like 6 weeks to get a couch. Well, I can wait, but like if I can find something that's available now, like why not do it? So that's why we're like going from store to store trying to find something. We're also looking for a coffee table because we don't have one, and also some like decorative pieces, like, you know, bookcases and like items to go in a bookcase and things like that. Also bar stools, and we need a media center. Like we're actually looking for a lot of things, and we did not find anything at Living Spaces, which was really unfortunate because I really liked.
We did find the bookcase, but it's.
Oh yeah, we found a really nice bookcase, but it was like $1,000. So I was like, you know, maybe not. So we're going to go to West Elm and Target to see if we can find anything that we are looking for, and we'll keep you guys updated.
Okay girls, so here's a little haul from today. So we've got a wall mount. We got this at Best Buy. It is it's an advanced tilt wall mount, and I got a TaskRabbit to come do it tomorrow after we move. So that's gonna be really fun, really exciting. And then I got a new shower liner. This one's actually fabric. I've never used a fabric one before. Usually I get the plastic ones, but I'm excited to try this one because the plastic ones get really annoying sometimes. Also, like the fabric ones have more of like a luxurious feel to them, like a luxury hotel feel to it, you know what I mean? So, and then this is for my mom. We don't really care about that. And then I got a blanket for like when people, like if people want to sleep over, you know, they'll have like a blanket to use. So this one is actually on sale. It's a flannel and faux shearling blanket. So it's flannel on the outside and then it's faux shearling on the inside, which is really cool. So we got that. We went to West Elm and I found the perfect couch. So we ordered that. I sent an email to Burrow to ask if I can cancel my order because it's a nice looking couch and it's, you know, whatever. But one thing that I did notice after I ordered it is that the seats are not deep enough. And I really like a couch with like deep seats so that you can like really lay down and like really get comfortable. And I noticed that, huh? yeah, you can like put your feet up and like get really comfortable, and comfortability is so important to me, especially these days, since we're going to be at home for the foreseeable future. So I decided to just get the one from West Elm. It was considerably more expensive, but I'd rather have a couch that like I'm totally in love with, you know what I mean? And then we also got a coffee table. We got 2 bar stools or counter stools, and then we also got a rug. So those hopefully should be coming in like early next month or like the middle of next month. I'm really, really excited about that. I can't believe we're finally gonna have some like cohesive furniture. I feel like a real adult. I feel like when you're in your early 20s, you're always trying to like take shortcuts on stuff and like try to spend as like the least amount of money as possible. But now that like I'm going into my late 20s next year. So I really wanna like, you know, up my game, up my lifestyle, you know. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. the movers are going to come between 8 and 9 a.m. and we're going to move the bed frames, the dining table, basically only the things that we are going to keep in this apartment. Everything else that we're gonna sell or give away or donate or whatever is going to stay at the other apartment. Again, my lease for that other apartment doesn't end until like February, so we have an entire month to like sell stuff and like do a bunch of stuff. Also follow me on Depop because I'm going to be selling a bunch of clothing. If you're interested in what I have to sell, go ahead and follow me on Depop. But yeah, I'm really, really excited. You should have seen my face when we left West Elm. I was like so excited because I actually got real furniture. But, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Boom. It's gone, y'all. It is gone. It's gone. It's gone. Y'all, look how good everything looks when it's not on carpet. I really like this. The only bad thing about this apartment is that there is a child that lives upstairs and they run at all hours of the day. But anyway, we got this TV mounted. Yay, I'm so excited. This is the first time I've mounted a TV. Well, I didn't mount it, but I hired someone from TaskRabbit to mount my TV, and then he also put up this painting because underneath this, I don't want to take it off because I don't feel like putting it back, but there's like, you know that like electric box where they have like the switches? I forgot what it's called, but that's what's behind there, and it was an eyesore. So I was like, can you put that up there? He was like, yeah, I can. So he put it up there. This is my bedroom. It's a lot smaller than my other bedroom, but this is definitely my favorite part, the closet. I love how open it is. I put my shoe boxes on the bottom, and then I put my dresser here so it's like concealed and it doesn't take up too much space, especially because there's not a lot of room in here. Oh, there's like this really nice corner here. I kind of want to put like an accent chair or something like something like that over there. I think that would look nice. But yeah, I'm so happy. Yay. Anyway, this is the bathroom again. We have those deep soak tubs. I want to take a bath so badly, but I can't feel like I can relax right now until the apartment is unpacked. So I'm gonna save this for another time because I literally haven't taken a bath in probably like 5 years. Like, I'm not even joking, probably even more than that actually. I haven't taken a bath in years, and this is the perfect bathtub to do that. So anyway, I'm gonna take a shower right now. I have to put on the shower liner and the new shower curtain that I bought so that I can take a shower. I actually don't love this, but I'm just gonna deal with it for now because I'm very tired and I don't feel like taking it off. But I don't feel like it matches the aesthetic very well in here. Also, I don't even like the pattern. I'm gonna change that eventually. Shower time! Oh my gosh, look at my face. Look at my hair. really quickly, I want to show you guys what it looks like in the daytime. Well, this is in the morning, so this window is north facing, so it doesn't get direct sunlight like this window does because this is south facing, obviously, but we do get a little bit of light right here, which is really nice, so it's not completely dark over here, you know what I'm saying? I've never seen an apartment that had windows on opposite ends of the apartment, so this is just really, really cool. Yay! And my mom is putting her shoe rack together. Aren't these shoes so cool? I got these for my mom when she came back from the Philippines. Now I want a pair because I love gold and black. This is, I don't know, these Jordans look so cool. Now I want a pair. This is the one that I want. Thank you so much for getting these for me.
This is the style that
I really want. So, I've come to the conclusion that perhaps we don't need a couch. You know, we've blown up the air mattress, as you can see, and very comfortable. You know, I might as well cancel the order, save some money, save some bills, you know? No, but really though, like, this is kind of genius. All right, so amazing surprise. My rug and bar stools actually came in today. So we're going to set everything up now. How exciting.
Yeah.
Hey. Look how cute she is. So it's like what is this called? Like a distressed velvet kind of situation. And it has like this brass, what is this called? Blackened brass to match the brass over here. Well, it's not exactly the same color, but it's like the same idea. You know what I'm saying? So, yay! So this is what it looks like. Obviously it'll look better when, you know, we've cleaned everything up, but I like it. It matches the color scheme of the kitchen really well. And they're the perfect height and they hold your butt. They're made really well. These are premium. Yay! So obviously when the couch comes in, we're gonna, you know, oh, people that lived underneath.
Oh, sorry.
So obviously when
Payback.
for the wrong people. So obviously when the couch comes in, we're gonna move that rug back, but I just wanted to see what the rug looked like. Let me show you guys a better view. So what I like about this is it's, I like the pattern. Also what I like about it is the color palette. So it has like, you know, blacks and creams. It has like really warm tones as well, which I think really matches really nicely with the floor because the floor is gray, but it's like a warm gray. So I really like how it pulls like everything together. And then when our couch comes in, we'll see what the full thing looks like. And I may or may not get like an accent chair. I don't know, we'll have to see when the couch comes here, when the couch gets here, because I'm not sure how big it's going to be. Like, I don't know what it's gonna look like in this space. So we'll have to see. And then I also have to get a media center. I'm not sure what color or style I wanna get yet. I think I just wanna get white, but we'll have to see when the coffee table and the couch gets here. This is like the first time I have actually like bought proper furniture for an apartment. This was like my first big girl purchase, and now I'm like making other big girl purchases. Woo! Are you proud?
Proud of you, baby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Thank you for what?
For being proud of me. Good morning. So yesterday we went to Whole Foods and we got some flowers. So this actually came with like all of this stuff. It's like a very like wintry kind of bouquet. And my mom separated them. So she put all the flowers in this like little vase right here. And then she put the other things. I don't even know what these are. If anyone has any insight, please let me know. But she put all the other things in a mason jar and I think it looks so pretty. And then she kind of like styled all of this down here. She did all of this while I was like editing a video, but I just love the way that it looks. I love how this apartment is coming together. I cannot wait for my couch and my coffee table to get here. Look how pretty the view is from this side of my apartment. I love it. It's especially pretty like at golden hour because the light reflects off the mountains. Oh, it's just so pretty. All right, so it is the day after Christmas. I obviously didn't vlog yesterday because I just didn't really feel like it, but my brother brought me my Christmas gift and I want to show it to you guys real quick. This is like the most thoughtful Christmas gift ever. Look, he got me a Monstera plant with like this cute little vase or pot with like the little stand, and it looks so good in like this little corner. Because the thing with Monstera plants is you're not supposed to have, it's not supposed to be in direct sunlight, and this little corner doesn't get direct sunlight, so it's like the perfect little plant for that little corner, and it's so cute. He even, he sewed this himself. He like made this himself. Isn't that so cool? Thank you, Kuya Pangit. Yay! Anyway, that's the vlog for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.